chopped or crumbled. Anywhere you slice it, bacon is the bomb, especially in my bacon butterscotch pie. Graham cracker crusts are so easy. They're sweet and crunchy, and that's what I'm starting with. When I said bacon, I meant lots of bacon. Half in the crust and then half on top. Melted butter and bacon fat. Don't worry, you're not gonna eat this every day. Smells good. It's like dinner and dessert all in one. Now I gotta press this nice and compact into the bottom of a pie dish. And the bottom of a measuring cup is a really great way to do that. Is ready for the oven. My butterscotch filling is really simple. It's just milk, heavy cream, and brown sugar, and then a little bit of flour and cornstarch to thicken things up. And it's a really good idea to mix the flour and cornstarch with a little liquid before you add it to the pan. That way you won't have any lumps. Butterscotch filling is essentially a custard, which means I need egg yolks. But I can't dump this in on top of them or I'll have scrambled eggs, so I've got to do what's called tempering, where I add a little bit of the hot mixture gradually to the eggs. And then, once they're cool with that, I can get this back into the main custard. The whole thing goes back on the heat to thicken. Oh, that has got to be the definition of luscious. But I have a couple of finishing touches. A little extra flavor, a little hint of salt. And it wouldn't be butterscotch without butter. It's pie time. Oh, look how silky that is. Don't think I've forgotten about that reserved bacon. I feel full just looking at this. And it should definitely be called bacon scotch, not butterscotch. If there ever was the perfect combination of sweet and salty, this is it. It's dessert with bacon in it.